Most people think AI content is just clicking a button and watching money roll in. In reality, fully automated channels usually look like soulless garbage that nobody watches because they lack a human point of view. To actually get views, you need a hybrid system. I build a pipeline that handles the grunt work while I keep the editorial control. Here is the exact stack, the monthly costs, and where it actually breaks. Step 1 is research. I don't use ChatGPT for this because it's too generic. I use Perplexity AI. It cites real-time sources, which means I can verify the facts before they go into a script. Cost: free, or $20 for the pro version if you need more advanced models. For the script, I moved to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Honestly, Claude is far superior for writing that doesn't sound like a robot. The secret is giving it a style guide, telling it to avoid adjectives like revolutionary or game changer, which are dead giveaways of AI writing. Now for the audio. I use ElevenLabs. It's the industry standard for a reason, but be careful. If you pick the most popular voices, your video sounds like every other faceless channel. I spend an hour tweaking the stability and clarity sliders to create a unique voice profile. Visuals are where most people fail. They use generic stock footage that feels like a corporate training video. I use a mix of Pexels for free B-roll and Leonardo AI for specific, stylized images that give the channel a consistent visual identity. The assembly happens in CapCut. I don't use AI video generators for the whole edit because they're still too unpredictable. I manually time the cuts to the audio. It takes more time, but it's the only way to keep the pacing fast enough for modern audiences. Let's talk numbers. My monthly overhead is roughly $40 to $60. Some people report making thousands with this, but for a beginner, expect a slow climb. Your first 10 videos will likely underperform while you figure out your niche and editing style. The biggest limitation? AI can't find a hook that actually resonates emotionally. It can organize data, but it can't tell a story. You still have to be the director. The AI is just your production assistant. The real win here isn't passive income. It's time efficiency. This stack turns a 20-hour production cycle into about 4 hours. That's the actual value, the ability to test more ideas faster. The most useful takeaway: use AI for the labor, but keep the logic and the opinion yourself. If you want more realistic breakdowns of tools that actually work, subscribe and join the community.